Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this water backpack that I just received. I am from Chicago, so we do have a lot of concerts around here, so I do need this water backpack. The first thing that I noticed is all the straps it has. This is very nice because when I'm at concerts, there's a lot of people pushing you, grabbing you, and since you have this strap, it's going to be secure on your back and no one's going to be able to take the backpack away from you, which is very nice. It is adjustable too, so it'll fit around your waist perfectly. Um, Here you have two smaller pockets. It's with netting. You can put water or whatever you want right here, any beverage. And then this is the pocket, the main pocket right here. You have a little back pocket where you could fit your keys, your wallet, and then this is where your water bag will go. This is the water bag right here. It is 2 liters. I'm going to fill it up with water. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. But overall, the pocket is pretty big. You can fit a couple things in here. The back pocket is essential. That's where I'm going to be keeping my keys if I drive there, or my wallet and all my personal things. Now I'm going to take this out. I'm going to fill it up and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So I did fill it up with water a bit. It is 2 liters as I did say. It's very easy to put in. You just put it right in here. You make sure that it goes all the way down. Make sure that it fits in your pocket like that. You can put as much as you want in the straw. Personally, I like to go like this, and I like to go like this with my straw. Fit it right through there, like that. Pull it right through. So my straw, and then I know how much straw I need. And I could always pull out more if I want to, like that. Pull some out, and then I close my bag. That. I'm gonna open this up. Boom. Put it around myself. Like that. And attach it. And now I have my straw right here, right next to me. So that's how you close it. Come closer so we could show you. Open it up like that. It is down at first. You got to raise it. You can raise it with your mouth, and then you just suck. You can see the water going through. Close it. Close it like that so there's no germs and bacteria coming in. And overall, if you want a backpack, a water backpack for concerts and hiking, I recommend this one.